Today we will be learning the len function. The function returns the number of characters in a text string. In other words, the function counts alphabets, numeric, space and punctuation. However, number formatting is excluded. Without further ado, let us get started with some examples. Let us use the len function and count the number of password characters in our Excel spreadsheet. First, we will count the length of the character of the text that has alphabets and numeric and no space and number formatting. Select cell D4, type in len, open parentheses. Select cell C4 and hit return. You will get 8 characters. Now, let us auto-fill the rest of the rows. In cell D5, we will get 13 characters. The character's length includes the space in between delta and variant. In cell D6, we have gotten 3 and not 6. This is because the len function has excluded all values after the decimal point. Thus, we will get 3 characters. Advanced Excel tip. Let us combine the len and if function, validate the passwords, and check if it has less than 8 characters. Select cell E4, type in if, open parentheses. Type in len and open parentheses. Select cell C4 and close parentheses. Type less than 8, space and open quotes. We will now input the message, input 8 characters password. Close quotes, space and open quotes. Next, we will input the message password length is OK. Close quotes and parentheses and hit return. iPhone 13 has 8 characters in length. Thus, we get the message of password length is OK. Now, let us auto-fill the rest of the rows. We will see input 8 characters password in E6. This is because the password is 100 and it has only 3 characters in length. There you have it, the len function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorials. But before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this len function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select AlchemyJ tab, select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. OK, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API that AlchemyJ generates. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. I will input A to H a total of 8 characters and select Execute. Let us check if our len function is able to show us 8. Awesome, we got it. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.